Jesus. Hey, see the way I dey look you, madam. I dey look you because what be your name? Ketu gum. I mean, the name so funny. Madam, I need to play with your name because you are playing with the masses. Ketu gum. Minister of what? Industry, trade, and so on. Chairperson. You go Abuja. Journalists face you. You begin talk the one in your mouth. You know, see as your 30,000 naira now I use. Now I use to plate my hair now. Yes, so she disbursement enter my account. Madam, na God na go punish you. You see, God of money, na go punish you. God of money, he go punish you. Not be blessed, he go bless you. You know one thing, eh? May God help us. You go just day. You know one thing. You know, say for this COVID-19, now this protest, now it disgrace you now. But it even they pay me say that man, that minister of health, or the president of PTF, presidential task force on COVID-19, all the palliatives when he be say, as in the palliatives they say we discover during this protest, this EndSARS protest, when he be say they even label COVID-19 when they store inside some warehouse, when he be say the thing don't spoil. After God use this EndSARS take disclose our hidden palliatives, yet federal government do not sue the man go court. They no interrogate the man because you know why? Then keep am all those things before they keep am, make them take am where they go status, where they go take start to do their campaign in 2021. Now make they not prove the man. Now make they not probe that man, because if they probe the man go call many names. So now make this woman now, she open her lousy mouth. She open her lousy mouth. They thought say give 102,500 and something people. Say she give them 50,000. She give some 30,000, especially women. Madam, say she even get white list. Say especially women, say she get white list. So wait, oh madam, people say give this 50,000 and 30,000. Shebi they be ghost. You even mention Lagos. The worst part, you go mention Lagos. Lagos, if you say, hey Jesus, for my area, is Solo local government as a whole, Amowo Dove as a whole, Oshodi Solo local government as a whole, Surulere, Ajegule, Sele, all those places, nobody even see. Bim! Nobody even hear bam bam for alerts. Yet you mention same Lagos. Say na there you for they do the disbursement. You dey disburse people account. I mean you dey disburse your village people accounts. Madam, see, let me tell you something. You see this COVID-19, when you be say you want to build that your mansion, I see your news now where you dey demand for more fund for COVID-19. You are demanding for 500 million, I mean 5,000 million. Now you dey see the demand for COVID-19. Madam, make I just tell you something. You see this COVID-19, say where you want from there to enrich your pocket. This federal government money where you want embezzle. Embezzling money is not the problem. But at least, we know some most of una. The reason why una they come out for politics, some of now, one they come out for politics. Now more na for go enrich una safe. Make una for go collect some from the government pocket. And you don't forget, say this government pocket where they collect from, so now from the grassroots, from the poor people, what it belong to the masses, what it belong to the poor people. You know, now you they see the embezzle inside your pockets. You know, say now waiting your family people, your village people, the suffer they suffer for village, they for streets, they beg, they hawk, they beg. Now what did they need? Now you yourself they embezzle for your own self. Penny wise, pound foolish. You don't know. Madam, make I just announce what I wan tell you. Two things involve. If really say you dey disburse people, say you dey disburse this money 30,000 50,000 into people account, and dem no come talk am, dem no come dey testify, dem no dey come let us, as in dem no even dey testify am say you dey do this kind thing, dem come dey hide am. You see, anybody say maybe say don chop this 30,000 and 50,000 and yet you dey deny say nothing reach you, I swear you that 30,000 go give you 30 years suffering. If you suffer 10 before you die, your lineage go suffer 20, except say they no use their mouth touch that money. Anybody say they eat this money, say they hide this 50,000 enter your account, and you not talk and say 50,000 enter, and you dey make people like us they accuse this woman. Now so you get 50 years problem. If you suffer 20 years, the remaining 30 years your children go suffer. That's why I pray, except say you come talk and say then give you palliatives, the woman pay money to your account, except so that they testify, so go they know say yes, this woman money she talk about wey she dey collect from federal government, she dey use the money for the poor masses. But madam, if you dey give this money to your top class women, you say they dey for government officials with you, if you dey use the money they give them, come dey lie say they give her to the masses, all of una wrapper go tear for public, una shoe go break una leg for public. Madam, if you know say and if you dey collect our money in the name of COVID-19, you dey embezzle government money say the people they pay we say will be youth, they need to pay we money say we say they maintain road, or they buy school materials, they give the less privilege. Madam, if that money dey your account, if you dey eat the money and you dey embezzle our money through COVID-19, madam, any house wey use that money to build, the house go for press you. Any house where you use the money, when it be say the federal government they provide them for the masses, for the poor people, and you come here they talk, so you get white list. The list they need to list their name out, they need to see the list, they need to announce them. When I need to show us so that they go give the 30, they need shebi camera confess you, journalists confess you, say you dey talk this one. So journalists say they face you if you dey go and disburse the money. Madam, if you dey eat our money, if you dey embezzle our money through COVID-19, I swear you, your wrapper go tear for public. I swear you, your wrapper go tear for public. Your shoe go break your leg for public, because and the sweat, if you say the sweat of the poor people, now you dey collect. Now you dey collect. You dey even dey ask for more money, say you need another fund for COVID-19.